If you accidentally deleted a CapCut project, don't panic, because in many cases you can still recover it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted CapCut project step by step, including the built-in recently deleted option and what to do if the files were removed from your computer. This is a super useful fix if you lost a project by mistake and want to get your edits back as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut desktop app and wait for the main home dashboard to load. This is where all of your projects are normally displayed, so it's the best place to start when you're trying to recover something you deleted. CapCut keeps recently deleted projects for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed, which means you may still have a window to restore your work. Now, look around the project area for either a trash icon or a recently deleted tab. Depending on your version of CapCut, this can usually be found in the top right corner, or sometimes along the bottom section of your project list. Once you find it, click it to view the deleted projects that are still available for recovery. When the deleted project list appears, hover over the project you want to bring back. You should see a selection circle next to it. Click that circle to select the project, and then choose Restore. CapCut will return that project to your active dashboard, and your timeline, edits, and project structure should come back just like before. This is the fastest and easiest way to recover a deleted CapCut project when it was removed inside the app. If you don't see your project in recently deleted, the next thing to check is your computer's local files. Sometimes the project files may have been deleted from the CapCut folder, but they're still sitting in your operating system's trash. If you're on Windows, open the recycle bin from your desktop. Once it opens, search for the project name, or the folder that contained your CapCut files. If you find it there, right-click the folder or file and select Restore. Windows will put it back in its original location, which may allow CapCut to detect it again. After restoring it, reopen CapCut and check your projects to see if it reappears. This step is especially important if you deleted the actual project files instead of just removing the project from within CapCut. If you still can't find the project, keep in mind that the 30-day recovery window may have expired, or the file may have been permanently deleted. In that case, your best option is to check any cloud backups, synced folders, or exported copies you may have saved elsewhere. The key is to act as soon as possible, because the sooner you check, the better your chances of recovering the project. So to quickly recap, open CapCut Desktop, check the recently deleted or trash area, select the project, and click Restore. If that doesn't work, check your recycle bin on Windows and restore the project files from there. That's the full process for recovering a deleted CapCut project. If this video helped you recover your work, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.